Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to what probably is or feels like the longest month of my life. It's May 22nd and I feel like we've been in the month of May for 17 years. A little dramatic maybe, but that's how I'm feeling, and I know other people are probably feeling the same way because we are so close to the end of the year. In my last classroom vlog, I asked everyone to comment down below where they're from and when they get out of school and then when they start school. And here's what I've deduced from those comments. First of all, thank you for commenting. I literally went through over like 400 comments and it was really fun. So here are a couple things I've learned. People who live in Washington and Alabama, y'all have the longest summer I have ever heard. They're out like before Memorial Day and they don't go back till Labor Day. And to me, that's ideal. Now, maybe you don't get a lot of breaks during the year. I don't know, or maybe your state's just awesome, but that's amazing. People that live in Europe, you guys have the shortest summer break, and I am so sorry. Some people were like, we don't get out till July 12th and we start August 15th. And I'm like, ah, that's crazy to me. It seemed like a lot of people get out like May 31st-ish and then go back August 15th, which is a lot longer than we get. Well, 2 weeks longer, because we don't get out till June 11th and then we start August 15th this year. So I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys for commenting. It was really cool to see how the school year kind of works in other parts of the country and the world. So that was neat. Okay, so anyway, for today's classroom vlog, we aren't, like the last couple, doing a ton of really content heavy stuff. I'll get into our day here in a second. I do quickly want to mention though that coming on Sunday, a bunch of teacher tubers and myself decided to get together and post about end of year activities. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned because that video will go live on Sunday. Myself and several other teachers are going to be sharing some things that we do for the end of the year. So I don't want to get too much into that in this vlog, but make sure you click subscribe and everything so you don't miss that video that's coming live to you Sunday morning. Okay, so let's talk about real quick my life and my classroom and the end of the year. Okay, I had to sit down. I'm gonna start with my life because I feel like I've been saying this for the last 2 months. It's crazy. I started grad school and that's just added an entirely new element of stress just because I feel like there's not enough time in the day. Now, that being said, I do wake up at 4:40 in the morning to work out, so I feel like I have to go to bed like by 9. So I'm trying to get into the swing of things, getting things done early so I can make it to sleep and all that fun stuff. So I'm really stressed. I'm going out of town this weekend, so I have 150 things I need to do. I'm gonna sit down in a minute and write a list because if you know me, I have to dump everything out of my brain onto paper and then I feel a lot better. So, life's been cray. My classroom is a hot mess. I'm gonna show you here in a minute. Again, if you are just chiming in, we have to pack up our entire classrooms this year. However, I am grateful because we are getting everything brand new, new furniture, new everything. So yeah, it's exciting, but it's also, again, really, really stressful. What else? We finished testing yesterday. I have 2 kiddos that need to wrap up one today, so hopefully they're here because tomorrow we are gonna be doing our big raffle. Maybe I'll film it. We'll see, and if you're not sure what that is, go check back in a few vlogs. I talked all about how I motivated my kiddos during testing this year. And then today, what we are gonna be doing, in the morning at least, is every time we finish a read aloud, something that I read to the kids, we watch the movie, and then we have a really good conversation about the differences. So we just finished reading A Wrinkle in Time. So today we are going to watch the movie in the morning, which is also nice because, like I said, we finished testing, so it's a little bit of a reward. So that's what we're gonna be doing pretty much the whole morning. And then after recess, we'll probably either finish the movie or this hot mess of a corner over here holds all of my kiddos' props and backdrops for the plays that they have been working on. So we are gonna start performing some of those plays. And then in the afternoon, we get our booties down to the cafeteria and we are really trying to practice our play because 3rd grade's doing a big performance and we're performing next Thursday. So we're using all the time we can to really get that dialed in. So as far as like vlogging throughout the day, it's not gonna be too crazy. So I apologize if this is a little chatty of a vlog, but I felt like I just needed to talk to you guys because it's been a little while. So here we go. What else? So I mentioned we're going out of town on Friday. So that means this Friday, I'm taking a half day in the afternoon, so I have to make sub plans, but honestly, it's gonna be so easy just because of what we have going on at the school. So anyway, I'm gonna walk you around to show you where I'm at in the packing up process, give you a little bit of an update, and then kind of walk you through what I still need to do and want to do. And then I need to sit down and write my list. So let's go. I'm gonna start over here because you guys watched me pretty much empty out this in my last vlog. So really quickly, just check this out. If this doesn't cause you as much anxiety as it does me, I am jealous of your brain because I am stressed. So I have all of these are full of the books that lived in here. We'll get there in a minute. I just need to walk this way. Okay, so I did not get this cabinet because again, I'm gonna have kiddos help me with that probably in the last couple weeks of school. Oh wait, that's next week. I did clear out all of these cabinets, and I did clear out for the most part, whoop, let me open this. These cabinets. So these are supplies that I'm just trying to figure out how I want to store. I need to go through those. Again, these are things that the kiddos can help me with. So that's what I finished on this half of the classroom. Oh, this is all pretty much the same. I can't even deal with this area. It's giving me so much anxiety. So I did empty out this cupboard, which are these manipulatives back here. And I had my room mom kind of go through and she boxed up all my books. So they're in here, stacked the bins. I do have the kiddos' book bins still here with their reading books. So whatever's in there is pretty much what they got for the next 2 weeks. And then all this big furniture, I am taking home with me. So because we are being forced to move everything out, they are providing us with like storage units, kind of. However, I am moving everything into my house for 2 reasons. One, we have this really weird strip in our house. It's like a breezeway, but it was turned into a storage kind of space. So I have a ton of room for storage. And the second reason is I have this fear of finally being allowed to come back into the classroom and then they decide not to open the storage units for another week and I've lost time, and I will just sleep better over the summer knowing that I have all my stuff. I don't want anything ruined. I don't know. So call me crazy. A lot of the teachers here think I'm nuts, but whatever, it is what it is. So that's kind of the state of the classroom. It's giving me a lot of anxiety. I am planning on vlogging the entire pack up process. So again, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that journey because it will be a doozy. And then you get to watch me reset up everything. But it's kind of nice because I love classroom design and I love decor and I love doing it as stressful as it is. So what is it like to not move classrooms? I've never done it. Must be lovely. Okay, anyway, that's kind of where we are at this point in 3rd grade. So I'm gonna put you guys down for a minute. I'm gonna write out lists of just like the next 3 days and everything I need to get done, personal and school and masters. So I'm gonna put you down, I'm gonna write, and then I'm gonna share it with you because why not? All right, just in case you're wondering, this is kind of what I have to finish for the week. So today I have to complete 2 assignments for my master's program. I was gonna try and finish everything, but I realized because I have to do this today due to an appraisal that we're trying to get done, I just don't think I'll have time this evening. I'm gonna write my sub-plans on my prep today, and then I need to edit and upload this vlog. I am hoping in an amazing world I could finish all of this, but we'll see. I did put this assignment here, and then just to remind myself to finish and turn in all of my work for the week for my master's program. I have to do all of our laundry before I can pack. I need to film, edit, and upload the end of a year activity video because I'm gonna be out of town and without any internet from Friday to Monday. So I need to upload that and get that all set up and ready to go. And then Friday, I just need to do my nails because they're disgusting. And pack, and then I need to unpack my car and my classroom stuff and then clean my house. So this is all gonna get done in the morning before school. And then these are just some things that I really wanna get done next week that I needed to write down to get out of my head. It's truly amazing how just putting things on paper makes me feel less stressed, because now I'm like, okay, this is doable. When it lived in here, I was like, oh, how am I gonna get everything done? So I feel better. And then usually what happens is as I go throughout my day, I'll think of like 10 other things that I have to do, and then I'll just add them to this bad boy, and then I feel better. So there's a little tip for you. Okay, I need to get my coffee. I need to just declutter my life a little bit and get organized for the day. So I don't know exactly when I'm gonna pick you back up, maybe on my prep period to kind of just say hi. But other than that, I will chat with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it is obviously later in the day. The kids are at lunch right now. They're actually gonna be done here in a minute. I'm shocked and so proud of myself. I was able to use my lunch to literally get all of my grad schoolwork done. I don't know how I did it, but I did. So I'm over here just like crossing things off my list and I'm so excited. So I literally finished all of my homework and that was stressing me out more than anything. So that's super exciting. I should use the rest of my time to like start or continue packing up my room, but like I just can't do it. So the only things on my list that I have left to do today are edit and upload this vlog and then clean out my breezeway. So that's exciting. So basically after lunch, all we're doing is they are finishing up their backgrounds and their props, and they're gonna go through one practice round. And then we go to the cafeteria and we sing for an hour. So there really isn't much else to show you in this vlog. So I think I'm gonna end it here. I'm sorry if it was a super chatty one, but I felt like it was necessary. So, like I mentioned before, definitely click subscribe so you won't miss the end of the year activities. I feel like my hand's been doing this the entire video. I'm so sorry. Oh. But make sure you hit the subscribe button on your way out. If you enjoy classroom vlogs like this, give this video a thumbs up. If you wanna see my entire pack up process, I'm already planning on filming it, but like I just need that confirmation that you guys are actually gonna care. So let me know down below in the comments if that's something that you would like to see. But other than that, I'm gonna end this vlog here. If you're already on summer, I hope you enjoy it. If you just finished your first year teaching, I am so proud of you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.